The game interface is located on this board. In the lower left corner, there are detailed reports regarding a given stage of the game. This is information about the farm and about actions, e.g., agroecological practices taken in the current and the previous years. The lower right corner allows you to go to the next year, i.e. the next game round. At the bottom in the center of the screen is cumulative indicator of sustainability. This indicator consists of three components, i.e. economic, environmental, and social balancing. You can also check what influences these indicators at any time. The player has the ability to conduct various activities, practices, that should have the desired effect. The buttons enabling these changes are placed in different places of the board in an intuitive way and marked with appropriate pictograms. There are 10 areas on the board that allow you to enter various activities. In a few cases, access to the same activities is in several places, e.g. cow feeding system in the feeding system and cows.